Good morning, children. Our skeleton system lesson, fifth lesson completed now. So worksheet number 1 and worksheet number 2 have now. Just I will explain worksheet number 1. Okay, all of you open your worksheets, children. So A bit. Answer the following. One word answers. Okay. First one. How many bones are there in an adult human skeleton? How many bones are there in an adult human skeleton? Human skeleton. What is that answer? Dash. 206. Okay. Next, second one. Name the delicate organ protected by skull. Name the delicate organ protected by skull. What is the answer? Brain. Okay, delicate organ, brain. Next, name each bone of the vertebral column. Name each bone of the vertebral column. Vertebra. Vertebra. Okay. What are the lowest two beds? Two pairs of ribs. What are the lowest two pairs of ribs called? Answer: floating ribs. Floating ribs. Fifth one, the longest bone in our skeleton. Longest bone in our skeleton. Thigh bone or femur. Okay. Next. Sixth one. Soft, fatty substance inside the long bones. Substance inside the long bones. Inside the long bones of the skeleton. Bone marrow. Okay. So, once you have to observe the children, how many bones are there in adult human skeleton? 2 not 6. Name the delicate organ protected by skull. Brain. Okay. Name each bone of the vertebral column. Vertebra. Okay. Next. What are the lowest two pairs of ribs called? Floating ribs. The longest bone in our skeleton. Femur. Soft fatty substance inside the long bones of the skeleton. Bone marrow. Okay, children, next be bit. So next be bit match the columns. Bone and bone. Ligaments, wrist, gliding joint, muscle and bone, tendons, cardiac, so heart, elbow, hinge joint. Bone and bone. Wrist, muscle and bone. Cardiac, elbow, hinge joint, heart, tendons, gliding joint, ligaments. Okay. So elbow, cardiac, muscle and bone, wrist, bone and bone. Bone and bone, ligaments. Okay. So next, wrist, gliding joint. Okay. Next, muscle and bone, tendons. Cardiac, heart, elbow, hinge joint. So like that we have to match it very easily. Bone and bone, ligaments, wrist, gliding joint, muscle and bone, tendons, cardiac, heart, elbow, hinge joint. Okay. Next, C bit. Answer these questions. 3 questions is given now. What is that? First question. Which is better machine, your body or your computer? Why? So here question already have not read the answer only. Okay children. So in your textbook worksheet have a question. I will write that answer. Okay. D bit first answer. Which is better machine, your body or your computer? Why? So write down. Our body is a question. As we can do more things and different things than the computer. Different things than the computer. So our body is better mission as we can do more things and different things than the computer. That's why our body is the better mission. Okay, next. Second question. What is that? Name the four main parts of the skeleton. You only see that second question. I will write only answer. Okay. So second answer. The skull. Okay. The backbone. First one. Second one. The backbone. Third one. The rib cage. Rib cage. And the limbs. And the limbs. Okay. Name the four main parts of the skeleton. These all are four main parts of the skeleton. The skull, the backbone, the rib cage and the limbs. Okay, next. Third answer. What is the third question? How do muscles work? Okay. Muscles produce movement in the body by pulling on the bones. Pulling on the bones. When a muscle contracts, contracts, the bones come close to each other. The bones come close to each other. When the knee bends, one muscle contracts, and gets shorter, whereas the other one relaxes. Whereas the other one relaxes. Okay. So here very easy. Here our body is better mission as we can do more things and different things than the computer. But in the computer also we only operating the computer. So information than the computer. Okay, so we are doing more things in the computer and more things, different things too by ourselves also. Okay, next, what are the four important parts in our skeletal system? Is the skull, the backbone, and the ribcage and the limbs. Okay, so next, how do the muscles work? Means muscles produce movement in the body by pulling on the bones. Okay, pulling on the bones. When muscles contract, the bones come close to each other. When the muscle contract the bones, okay, so come close to each other. When the knee bends, one muscle contract and gets shorter. So like this only have knee or elbow. So here it take the back side means it is shorter. Okay, the other one relaxes. Here knee bends. Okay, one muscle contracts and gets shorter, whereas the other one relaxes. Like that, the bone and muscle working. Okay. So worksheet number 1 completed, no? Okay, children. Worksheet number 1 completed. Okay. So tomorrow we'll discuss about that worksheet number 2. Okay. Give one word answers, true or false, and question answers also there. 3 answers. Okay. So today you have to learn about these 3 question answers. Okay. A, B, C bits. Very easy. No problem. Matching also easy. One word answers also easy. You are the 5th class children. Okay. So you must learn this. Okay, children. Don't think about that like burden. So very easy question answers. Better to learn all question answers. So worksheets are the very important. In this worksheet question answers only maybe come in that essay 1 or 2 examinations. Okay. If you are interested means you have to write in the rough notebook also. Okay. Learn 5th lesson worksheet question answers and bits. Question answers and bits. Okay, A, B bits and C bit question answers. Means all worksheet number 1. Okay. All. Thank you.